Imagine this. You're on the open road, the sun slowly setting behind you, and instead of rushing to find a hotel, your home is already right here with you. A home on wheels, where 6 people can sleep in comfort, where you can stand tall and enjoy a shower that doesn't feel like a cramped box, and where every corner is designed for real travel living. Today, we're stepping inside one of the most versatile and surprisingly luxurious family motorhomes out there, the Rimor Seal 5. This isn't just a camper. This is a proper rolling home built for families, groups, or anyone who wants to experience the freedom of the road without giving up the comforts of everyday life. So buckle up, because by the end of this tour, you might just start imagining yourself behind the wheel of this stunning machine. Let's start with the outside. The Rimor Seal 5 is built on a modern, reliable chassis that balances strength with efficiency. It has a bold, clean design that immediately tells you it's ready for long journeys. The profile is tall but sleek, with smooth lines that keep it aerodynamic on highways. You'll notice the high roofline, and that's important, because it makes a huge difference once we step inside. The Seal 5 has a solid body construction, with a wide side door that welcomes you in, and multiple large windows that flood the interior with light. These aren't just design details. They're part of what makes this motorhome feel so livable. At the rear, you'll also see practical touches, like storage compartments for your gear, utilities neatly integrated for easy access, and of course, that distinctive Rimor styling that makes it recognizable on the road. Now let's head inside, and this is where the magic really begins. The Rimor Seal 5 is designed around one thing: space. The very first thing you'll notice is just how open and bright it feels. The layout makes smart use of every inch, so you never feel squeezed in. And here's the headline feature: 6 proper beds. That's right, 6 sleeping spaces. For a family, that's incredible. For a group of friends, it's even better. Let's break it down. Above the driver's cabin, you have a spacious overcab bed, a classic motorhome design, but here it's done with extra width and comfort, making it a real double bed you'd actually enjoy sleeping in. Then, in the rear of the motorhome, you'll find bunk beds. Kids love these, but honestly, they're comfortable enough for adults to dot in the middle. The seating and dining area transforms into yet another bed. The table lowers, cushions rearrange, and suddenly you've got another cozy sleeping spot. Altogether, it creates a flexible setup where everyone has a place to rest. And the best part, you don't have to compromise your living space during the day. It all tucks away neatly. Now, what's a road trip without good food? The Rimor Seal 5 has a fully equipped kitchen, compactly designed but surprisingly practical. You'll get a proper gas stove with multiple burners, a sink with running water, and a fridge big enough for all your essentials. Storage cupboards and drawers are tucked in smartly, so you can bring along not just snacks but full meals for the family. The dining area sits right next to it, with a table and bench seating that can comfortably host 4 to 5 people. Imagine parking up in a scenic spot, maybe overlooking a lake or mountains, and enjoying a proper dinner right here inside your motor. That's the lifestyle the Seal 5 gives you. Now, let's get to the feature that surprises everyone: the big shower. Most RVs and motorhomes give you tiny wet rooms where you can barely move, but in the Rimor Seal 5, the bathroom is generous. You get a separate shower space where you can stand up properly, move around, and actually enjoy the experience. This is a game changer, especially if you're traveling with family. Long trips can be tiring, but having a bathroom that feels this comfortable really makes the difference. There's also a proper sink, a toilet, mirrors, and storage for your essentials. It feels less like a motorhome bathroom and more like something you'd expect in a small apartment. Beyond the essentials, Rimor has added thoughtful touches everywhere. The lighting inside is warm and inviting, with overhead lights as well as smaller reading lamps. The windows all have blinds and mosquito nets, so you're always in control of privacy and airflow. The heating and ventilation system means you can travel year-round, whether it's summer road trips or winter getaways. And storage is everywhere: overhead cabinets, underseat compartments, and hidden spaces that let you keep the interior tidy. The driver's cabin is equally comfortable, with supportive seats, modern controls, and enough visibility to make even long drives feel easy. It's designed so that once you arrive, you don't feel exhausted. You're ready to enjoy your destination. So why choose the Rimor Seal 5 over other motor? It comes down to versatility. Many RVs give you either space for sleeping or space for living, rarely both in balance. But here, you get 6 real beds and a proper lounge and kitchen. You get a bathroom that doesn't feel like a compromise, and you get it all in a design that's practical for everyday use. Compared to other models in its class, the Seal 5 feels more family-focused. It's not trying to be a flashy luxury coach. Instead, it's delivering comfort, functionality, and smart design where it matters most. And in the world of motorhomes, that's exactly what makes it stand out. Now I want to hear from you. If you had the chance to travel in the Rimor Seal 5, what would be your favorite feature? Would it be the 6 beds, perfect for bringing everyone along? Or would it be that surprisingly big shower that makes life on the road feel so much more comfortable? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing which details matter most to you. The Rimor Seal 5 proves that you don't need to sacrifice comfort when you're chasing adventure. With room for 6, a proper kitchen, a bright and spacious living area, and a bathroom that actually feels luxurious. This motorhome is ready for anything, from quick weekend getaways to epic road trips across countries. If you've ever dreamed of life on the road without giving up the little luxuries of home, this could be the RV that makes it possible. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the stunning Rimor Seal 5. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth RV and motorhome tours, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, safe travels, and may the road always lead you somewhere unforgettable.